Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your save. Make a full backup to micro SD or cloud. Once done, dock your Switch and attach a USB keyboard. The console requires keyboard input. Make sure your game is fully updated because console behavior changes across patches. Now open the developer console by pressing F3 then Tab if your keyboard supports it. This exposes the command prompt. You're not done yet, but this gets you into the place where typed commands will be. You'll want to begin with harmless queries so you learn response patterns. Type ID to list items, pause to show coordinates, or oxygen to check stats. Once done, try a non-invasive spawn command to confirm syntax and timing. For example, spawn Seamoth to create a vehicle near you. Make sure to press enter and observe the console feedback. Errors will tell you what to fix. Use a safe test save or area so that any mistakes won't corrupt your main progression. To finish, apply the commands you planned, then save to a new slot right away so you keep a rollback point. If a command fails, make sure you spelled it exactly, used correct capitalization, and provided required arguments like item ID or quantity. If the game state desynchronizes or objects disappear, reload the save, or reboot the console and retry the same sequence. This often clears temporary glitches. Key troubleshooting. Restore your backup save if anything irreversibly breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.